Hello. To connect your Substack account and your publishing process, so you have to log into your dashboard. So here is a dashboard. You have to go to the connection and opening settings. From there, sorry, this is coming from the another extension. So from there, you will get the API key. Connect your Substacks. So this is my another Substacks. So I am opening that. Okay. So for this is for the WordPress sites. If you're not using any WordPress site, then completely fine, and you have to set your API keys for creating the AI draft. So bring your own key. You have to select the models from here and the label you want to add, API key, and the set, type the model here. So that's it. And this is the most important thing you have to do here. So the writing style, this is kind of work as your skill, how you want to write your newsletter draft. So now this is the browser extension. You have to download that. To download that, you have to unzip it and load it as a developer. So if you don't know how to do that, this is the process. Just you can load from here. Load, unpack, installs. After unzipping that, load, unpack, install. After installing that, you will see this Quillo one and this one. So this is that plugin. I have pinned it there. So after directing that, and in the when it's on the Substacks, and you will see the save to Quillo token and save token. Sync your Substack cookie. From here you can create your Substacks, sync your Substacks accounts cookie. It will automatically sync now. Like if I click here, it Substacks cookie synced. You can see that. So my Substacks cookie synced, and here from here you can generate your token. Like I have already created a generator token. You just give your Chrome extension name or which extension. Like if you have a multiple device and you have a different device, so you can extension give it a name and just test one and generate. It will generate a test token from here. Just you have to copy it, and it only show it once, so you have to paste it on in your Quillo extension here. Just paste it here, and that's it. It will be here, and everything will set up. Then the main process, you have to go to your dashboard again, and if you want to use the composers, you have to select the AI composers, this one. And oh, let me explain. There are also some mode here, the digest roundup, or if you want to select so many, and this is coming from the sources, you can paste the URLs here, and it will be linked here, and you can generate the content. And the content length, medium, you can set that, and tone, what will be the tone, punchy, visual, and that's it. And you have to give a brief idea to write the content from you. So the text you can edit here. From here it also generates the subject line. This is the AI composer. And if you start with the blank draft, that's fine, you can write it here. But if you want to use AI, then again the blank draft will be there. And this is the most interesting part. You will add the feeds from here, like Substacks feed, paste URL. Those who have the feed, direct access feed, you can pull the content from here. So like I'm hitting this one, I have already selected, so you can see 0 pulls. There are so many posts already pulled out, so you can see from here. And also all the links can be, you can move it to the make it draft, and you can publish to the your Substacks instance account. So this is how you can use your content library. And here in the composers, when you can see there are new links will be available automatically here. So this is the best part. And for if I visit a page, like which one? This is my portfolio site. This is not not a good one. Please ignore that one. So if you want to save this current page to your library, like if you want to save this page, like not that one, like just simple, I'm just sharing a simple one, like which one, like okay, my resume. So I want to save this one as my library, so this will be saved in my content library. Let's see, open my content library. You can see my content library picked up from the Chrome extension. It automatically sync up here. Now you can make a draft from here, and if you hit the make a draft, then it will on resume, it will bring you there, and you can build that in your write whatever you want. Like for example, like I'm selecting those not a full post, like digest roundup, and it's like thoughtful or proportional casual, and prepare uh, weekly digest based on the selected content. So these I just want to add and generate the draft. And okay, length, I will use the length short here. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it's here. So you can see it's prepared the content and save it. Okay, draft is saved. So today is the day, this one is the day, and now I want to push it on the Substack. Let's see. Oh, there is an error. My user ID and Substacks is not working, so I have to go there and connection. Disconnect Substack. Username substack.com, this one. Okay, Substack SSID cookie for this space. As I have removed it, so I have to reconnect the cookie, and then okay, then I have to do that. So in the developer applications, in the cookie, okay, sorry, I actually forgot the process. I thought it will be automatically connect. The first time you have to do that, so I have to go there, inspect, I have to go the applications, then cookies. I have to go the applications, then cookies, then I have to search for Substack SSID, this one, Substack SSID, and paste. I confirm. Yes, connect Substack. Yes, Substacks is connected. Now the Substacks you have to do once, and it will automatically the extension will sync automatically for the second time. So oh my god, this is from my another access. So now going back to my drafts, embeds a composer, view drafts. So let's try it again. Push to Substack. Let's see. That's my dashboard. There is a draft. Yeah, you can see this one. It's on the draft. You can see the exact thing what you have right here. That's it one. And if you want to hit the publish now, and you can hit the publish now button, I think. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's published. Let's see if it's published. Yeah, I published. Let's see, finger crossed. Yes, it's published. Okay, so view the post. CSS script published my first Substack ecosystem spot last and everything. So this is how it works. Can do. One more thing I like to show, the form. Like if you want to edit the form, there is a form builder, and you can do any kind of form buildings. It's the modern form builder. You can embed it anywhere. You can do like simple, just click one click, the stylings will be changes very quickly, fast and rough. There is no, and you can do it on your own display. You can set the display models, you can change the colors, you can add pop-up model on exit intent. So this is, and there is also categorized, like if you want to add like lead gen, then that is a download link. You have to set up the download link, and this is the snippet. You have to collect, copy that, and paste it as in your HTML, like if you were using any HTML site, and then paste it here, and it will be placed there publicly and beautifully. So that's it. This is basically how it's work. And you can set the positions and image URL. You can set from the logo URL, image URLs, and do. After subscribe to the file and link, show the download the full file and link. And after subscribe, there will be an option to download the from, so you can see. So this is actually how it works. You can set the file link and download link, so no one can steal from there. Spam protections, you can add Cloudflare transtyle and invalid image masses here. So these are good for people, and most important things is you have to be very careful. Like it's Substacks didn't include users like subscribers instantly. It's take time. It's do its verifications for joining the process. So while you are trying, then there will be some issues and back and forth facts. So I would suggest you to be a patience there, and try to wait for a while, and it will be automatically added. So I have already shared you the process, and this is how you can work. And the most interesting thing is that you can also embed a news feed. Like here is the news feed I already created from my favorite author. This is the Brian Jackson's. I always follow him and his work. So there are so many styles you can do, color styles, and you don't have to do so many things. You just, there is a preset, so that's There's so many cool presets out there. You can hide shadows and show fields, what you want to show and hide. See, you can see the options, subtitles, remove the subtitles, image. So this is how to hide the reactions. You can hide the comments based on your, and also you can increase corner radius of the images, and that's it. And the posts, which posts you want to keep and which posts you want to remove. And layout styles, you can create the grid layout, all grid layout, compact layout, card style layout, the masonry grid layout, and the magazine one grid layout. These are the very cool things. The behavior, like a latest post from, you can create the header, view all posts, and like something like that. These are the can be changeable. You can add the URLs, and this is the embed code. Just copy it and paste it to your any page of your website, and it's really boom. It's all good. So this is how full mechanism I bring for the Substack. This is no one actually created in that level of, so that's why it will be benefited pretty much here. And now anyone can run their newsletter, and it's easy, just giving you you have to just pay this $5 from me, and you don't need any website. You just do it from here, just for publishing newsletters. And if you you can do it on Substack, but it's a stuff like when there is no API. Oh, the API things I like to share for when it comes to the API. So here again in the connection settings, this is always be there for API. I always recommend you to use the Open Router API. Open Router API is I didn't link here, but you can search for web and any kind of which one is preferred. If you have the Anthropic OpenAI is the free, you can use the free models there. You can choose the free models names and it will be fine. That's it. Just load, you can click the load models, you can select the load models, and that's it. It's a very cool, very easy, and I always recommend to use that. So this is how you can manage your token. So my bad, I had to make a better documentations to Substack Connect, how you can get this ID. So this is the best way to do that. It really depends on your local machines, but connection, no API key or anything like that. This is the very simplest way we can do that with the tool Quillo. So that's it. If you like this tool, please help me to give you a shout out and the review, so that you can try this. And I hope you will like this. Thank you so much.